Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ideogram Pro, create advanced text-to-image design step-by-step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Ideogram Pro. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Locate the Login button on the home page. Click on the Login button to access the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for any typos. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once you have filled in your details, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to verify your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface features available. Navigate to the text-to-image design section. Begin creating your advanced designs using the tools provided. Experiment with different text prompts and visual styles. Review your designs in the preview pane before finalizing. Save your work regularly to avoid any loss of progress. When satisfied with your design, proceed to export or share your image. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.